Range Rover here. This is our good buddy Mo's car. We're going to lower it for him. It's on 24s. Normally we don't lower it, but after seeing my Range Rover, Mo's gotta do what I gotta do. So we're about to slam his Range Rover right now. All within a matter of 30 minutes. Looks crazy.
So we got BYBs, inner. Cut. Okay, so we got rear shocks, we have inner and outer tie rod ends, we have plugs for this car, we have suspension parts, arms, bushings. So pretty much we're going to do a complete service on this Mustang. This is a new client of ours who got recommended. So we're doing rear shocks, we're doing lower control arms, we're doing spark plugs, tune up, inner and outer tie rod ends. We're going to get this done tonight and release it to the customer before the day's over. Along with the rear shocks, they're very, very weak. We're going to replace those, and the car has a misfire, so we're going to replace the spark plugs and do a good tune-up service on the car and get it ready. Mustang's coming along just fine. We have 4 tires coming up. Suspension is done. Everything's getting there. So hopefully in a couple of more hours we'll be good to go. So as you guys can see, this is the original Ford shocks on this car still.
Alright, so this 488 Spider had a little damage on the quarter panel. It was previously clear broad, paint protection. The clear broad saved the paint, so we took it off, we buffed it, came out nice, and we re-clear broad it. It's done. Customer's gonna come pick it up, and that's it.
Where are you from?
Bakersfield?
Nice. Just hanging out?
Yes.
We got this black Chrome Tahoe behind me. We did this car, I believe, a year or so ago. It has a blackout, has wheels, it's got black chrome, so it looks really cool. The black chrome is a little subtle, but it's also really cool in the sun, so it looks really good on the Tahoe. We just did some repair patches on it. They had damaged a few panels. Beauty of a wrap is you just take it off, rewrap it, it looks good. So there was no paint damage. We rewrapped a few panels and it looks good again. Right now it has some big 22-inch wheels and tires. We're going to replace them with 17-inch beadlock wheels with some Toyo 37-inch tires, make them really, really good and clean. We're going to be hooking up the factory air pressure system to the tires as well, the self-inflating air pressure system. So this H1's going to look way better when it's done.
So we're all good with this Mustang, finished. We did a lot of work, we got it done the same day. Suspension is like brand new now, AC's working, tires are brand new, alignment's done, tune-up is done, perfect. That's it, we're releasing the car right now.
Our buddies have a little rally going on, Cars and Curry. So they're about to pull up with a bunch of their cars right now. We're waiting for them. Get out of here, man.
Holy shit.
But I also have this Hummer that we're finished up. Sorry, sending pictures to my client of his H1 with his new beadlock wheels. Did some beadlocks on his H1. Very difficult install, but it's done. And now we have our friends from Cars and Curry. They stopped by to show love. A lot of gold cars, pretty crazy. Black Series SLS in satin chrome. Huracan satin chrome, AMG GTR satin chrome, crazy. We're just chit-chatting right now, hanging out, enjoying the cars. We just finished up. We kind of did a Dubai police theme on it, which looks kind of cool. This is the one we installed the roof rack with the accessories, the lighting, the exhaust, all that stuff.
Hello, we're back at it at RDBLA. Pulled up with the gold whips this time. Right behind you, we got the $500,000 Benzo. You got zoom in on the Black Series right here. That's where the magic at. Fan love from Bangladesh. Show you guys around. We got AP. Got the gold Huracan Versace edition. Was actually in the Travis Scott Butterfly Effect video. Check them out. We got the half and half right here. AMG GTR. Bruh, pulled up in a gold vet. It's just a regular one, but check this out. This is the Z06. This thing goes stupid doodle, they made dumb. Stupid doodle, they made dumb. This thing goes stupid doodle, they made dumb. You feel me? We got one LE. I feel like this is probably the second fastest one after the Black Series. This go real quick. This is the 1LE. This got the wing on it. The wing means it's a 1LE, so it go real fast. Trackhawk, Trackhawk Jeep go too fast. Shout out RDBLA, found love. We got the Aventadors parked, back to back, and we got the G-Wag right here. This is the E-Wag though. We coming in strong. Cars and Curry Rally straight from the Bay Area. You feel me?
Out of breath. Alright, so we're on Sunset Boulevard. There's really no room at the shop right now. It's craziness. But we just finished up this Hummer H1 with Beadlock Wheels with the Toyo Open Countries. Big tires. He had on big wheels before. Opted to go with the Beadlock. He wants to go more off-roading. Beadlock tires are very difficult to install. You guys already saw us do it on the G-Wagon 4x4, the Hutchinson wheels. It's very similar. A lot goes to it. Seals. This car also has the self-tire pressure system, so we connected that. So now you can inflate the tires from inside the vehicle. Yeah, so that's the before, 22-inch, and now he has a 17-inch. A lot more tire. They're Beadlock. Tire's not gonna come out. Gonna be much more efficient for off-roading. This red, metallic red H1 looks amazing now. It's gonna drive better, and it has completely functional off-road wheels and tires. On to the next one. They're off to San Diego now. It was a good time hanging out with them, but we gotta get back to work.